Text, corner guard replacement. Repair kit ACC, 5185, ACC, 9485, ACC, 9685. Briggs & Riley, a person stands behind a black suitcase on its side. Captions, lay your suitcase on a flat surface and open the main compartment. Find the reverse zipper running along the edge at the bottom of the case. The zipper slider may be tucked under the seam. Use a small screwdriver to expose it. Unzip the entire lining. Pull back the lining to reveal screws securing the corner guard. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screws by rotating counterclockwise. The person unscrews and removes the screws in fast motion. Captions, pull the corner guard off the bag. The person rotates the suitcase and lifts it slightly to remove the corner guard on the bottom outer edge. Text, replace with the new corner guard, aligning over the existing holes, tucking the fabric seam underneath the guard. The person demonstrates and moves the guard into place. Captions, insert the screws on the opposite side to secure into place. The person holds up the fabric cover to demonstrate. Captions, hold the corner guard in place while fastening the screws to ensure proper contact and traction. The person holds up the fabric and unfastens the screws in place. Captions, be careful not to over-tighten. Rezip the lining. Your repair is now complete, simple as that. Text, subscribe to our YouTube channel.